Assalamu alaikum 6th class. How are you all students? I am your science teacher Ms. Ridan sir. Welcome to the science class. Students, today we are going to talk about what is weight. Weight is a force caused by the gravitational attraction of the earth. Students, as we know that on the earth there is a force which is called as gravity, which attracts all the thing towards it, is called as gravitational force. So the weight is a force caused by the gravitational attraction of the earth. To clear the concept of weight, let's take an example. When we lift bag of a sand from the ground, we have to use force. This is because Earth's gravity is pulling downwards with a force. We call this force as weight, and we can measure it with a Newton meter. In the picture, you can easily understand the concept of weight, in which a bag of sand is lifted up through Newton meter. Because weight is a force, it is measured in newtons. The mass which is being acted on by gravity is measured in kilograms. The unit of mass is kilograms. Next, we are going to talk about gravity, the attraction between two objects that have masses. Students, over 300 years ago, Sir Isaac Newton gives the idea that all masses attract other masses. He called this attraction as gravity. The earth has a mass about 6 million kilograms. So its gravitational pull is large. It is gravity which pull object to the ground when they dropped. So large masses have more gravity and small masses have less gravity. On the earth, there is a field developed by the gravity called gravitational field. As we know that a force is present on the earth which is called gravity, so a field is produced around the earth due to this force is called as gravitational field. On earth, the strength of gravitational field is about 10 Newton per kg. The moon's gravitational field is 1.6 Newton per kg. In the picture, you can see if an astronaut buys a bag of sugar in your city, its mass is 1 kg and its weight is 10 Newton. If the astronaut takes the sugar to the moon without opening it on the way, its mass is still 1 kg, but on the moon it only weighs 1.6 Newton due to the moon's gravitational field. Next, this is your assignment, student, which is related to this topic. So students, you have to solve this. If you face any difficulty or problem, you can ask questions through voice messages. Thank you and Allah Hafiz, students.